Though decimal seems like a good solution when you need high precision, in many cases it's not really necessary. In software development, each test can usually be solved with more than one tool, and I believe it's the engineer's job to choose the most appropriate one. When you work with real-world currencies, you rarely deal with fractional units smaller than 1/100th of the basic one. For instance, $1 equals 100 cents, £1 equals 100 pennies, and so on. I found a handful of currencies which divide their basic unit by 1,000, and you may want to take that into account. But apart from 2 countries which recognize Bitcoin as a legal tender, it's safe to assume that you won't need to split any currency unit into parts smaller than 1,000th. That observation makes the practical task of handling currency pretty easy to solve. Instead of using the decimal type, you can simply store the amounts as integer numbers of fractional parts. For example, $11.57 can be stored as 1157 cents internally, and formatted only at display time. In that case, you can simply use int as the data type and not worry about precision. But for less common scenarios, decimal still looks like a solution.